What is entomology?
Study of insects.
Which country is known as playground of Europe?
Switzerland.
Which is the junction point of Eastern Cut, Western Cut joined together?
Nilgiri Hills.
Who was the current Chief Justice of India?
Justice Suryakanth.
Which Indian state launched Drone Seva Yojana for agriculture?
Punjab.
What is India's GDP growth forecast for 2025 by World Bank?
6.4%.
Who won the Best Director Oscar at the 2025 Academy Award?
Christopher Nolan.
Which Indian city hosted the 2025 India's Art Fair?
New Delhi.
What is exobiology?
Study of the life of outer surface.
How much earth surface was covered by forests?
30%.
Okay, very good.
Thank you.